Chew. Chew. Sorry, excuse me. That was a great start. I've been knocking over my flowers because I'm stupid. Chew. Chew. Excuse me. Sorry. And I cleaned everything up and stuff, and it has been a while. Sorry, but because I opened my window, the pollen just flew straight through the air. And I actually wanted to sleep because it's like... Sorry, excuse me. It's like after 2 a.m. and I have an appointment tomorrow that I have to attend to. Excuse me, sorry. Yeah, but I thought I could take advantage of that and record this small little video for you guys. Sorry, excuse me. Yeah, because I have some alone time right now, obviously.